All right, what if I told you that you can install APK files without leaving your headset? Let me show you how. All right, Viper here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install APK files without leaving the Quest headset. It's crazy, it's wild, and if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Let's get into it. The developers that made the Quest optimizer, that game optimizer that everybody loves, came out with this free tool that allows you to download APK files directly from your headset. I ain't believe it, tried it out, it works, and it works real good. All right, let's just jump right into it. The first thing you're gonna need to do is go to your computer, right? Then you're gonna type in ANAGATIC.io/quest-apk-installer. Once you are there, it's gonna bring you to the download page. Download this file to your computer. Got it? Once you got that downloaded, I know you guys know how to sideload. If you don't, it's a billion YouTube videos on how to sideload. You're going to have to sideload this app to your Quest. This is the only time you're gonna need to do this. After this, no more sideloading. Now, I want you to boot up SideQuest. Go to SideQuest, find your APK file that you have, connect your 3 or 3S. Once you do that, sideload this APK file. Once that's done, disconnect this from your computer. You no longer need that anymore. Now, go inside your headset. You're gonna go down to unknown sources. And unknown sources, you're going to see the Quest installer. Click on that. Once you click on that, it's gonna run you through granting permission to search your headset for any APK files. Grant all the permissions, say yes to it all, because you have to. Once you say yes to it all, boom, that's it. You're good. Go to your Quest browser, type for any APK that you want to download. Go to your favorite APK sites. For me, what I did, I went and I got the Netflix APK file, because sure, we can go to the browser and pull up Netflix, but I wanted the official app for a couple of reasons. I just went to the browser on my headset, did not leave my headset, downloaded the APK file. Once I downloaded that file, I opened up the Quest installer from the Quest optimizer that they made, the free tool. It found that APK file, it installed that APK file, and boom, Netflix was on my computer. No more searching on the computer, sideloading it to your Quest. No more doing that. Any APK file you want, go to your browser, open up the Quest installer, and boom, it's gonna find it on your Quest and it's going to download it. You don't even have to tell it where you downloaded it at, because the Quest installer is going to find it automatically, ask you if you want to install it. You're gonna say yes, and that's it. Hey, I had to bring you guys this because I think it's a game changer. I love when you can cut out some things and it just works. And this just works. If you guys have any other questions on how to get this working, you know the deal. Hit me in the comments. I'll respond back and I'll try to help you out as much as I can. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.